Sa buong grupo or CGSO family, thank you very much sa inyo. A few weeks ago, I would like to inform each and every one of you and the people of Manila. We recently acquired more or less about 200 million pesos of medical equipment across our healthcare facility in the city of Manila. Thank you. Ano na yan? Samot-saring mga gamit, pamalit, bago o karagdagan na mga gamit, maliit at malaki sa ating mga ospital at health center. Pero malayo pa tayo. Malayo-malayo pa tayo sa mga tatahakin natin to continue to develop our medical equipments, tools, to be more efficient in delivering healthcare in the city of Manila. But through their office, dumadaloy ang ginhawa. Sa masinop, mainam at mabilis ninyong pagkilos sa CGSO. Thank you very much. Palakpakan natin sila.